Yesterday we have seen the classification of aldehydes and ketones. We are studying the chapter aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acids. Now the definition of aldehydes, ketone and carboxylic acid we already studied. Now this carboxylic acid. Now let us classify the carboxylic acids. You know that in carboxylic acid there is the carboxylic group, COOH group. Therefore, the organic acids are called as the carboxylic acids. The another name of carboxylic acids is the fatty acids because fat contains the higher carboxylic acids in them. Now you again familiar about the citric acid which is found in the lemon, lactic acid in the curd and acetic acid in the vinegar. Now these carboxylic acids are very important compounds. Carboxylic acids are classified mainly into two types: aliphatic carboxylic acids and aromatic carboxylic acids. Now in aliphatic carboxylic acids, the functional group of the carboxylic acid COOH group is directly attached to the alkyl group. So the organic compounds in which COOH group is bonded to alkyl group are called as the aliphatic carboxylic acid. Only one exception is there, that is the formic acid, because in formic acid the COOH group is attached to the hydrogen atom, but still this formic acid is also aliphatic carboxylic acid. Another examples are the acetic acid, propionic acid. Now the general formula of these carboxylic acids is RCOOH. Now this is the carboxylic group. Carbonyl group and hydroxyl group both are present in the functional group of the carboxylic acids, so they are called as the carboxylic acids. Now the functional group is COOH. Carbo for CO group and oxalic for the hydroxyl group. Therefore the name is carboxyl group. Now again the second type of the carboxylic acids are the aromatic carboxylic acid. But these aliphatic carboxylic acids are again classified as monocarboxylic acids, dicarboxylic acid, tricarboxylic acids and polycarboxylic acid, which depends upon the number of COOH group present in the molecule of the acid. So depending upon the number of the COOH group, carboxylic acids are classified as monocarboxylic acids. There are so many monocarboxylic acids such as the from formic acid, acetic acid, propionic acid. Here is the example of propionic acid because this acid contains 3 carbon atoms. So it is called as the propionic acid. Dicarboxylic acid contains 2 COOH group. The best example is the oxalic acid. In oxalic acid, the both carboxylic group are attached to each other. Now that is the formula of oxalic acid. Now tricarboxylic acid, the best example is the citric acid in the lemon. Now see the molecular or structural formula of this citric acid, and there are 3 COOH group. There is again one hydroxyl group is also there in the citric acid. As it contains 3 COOH group, it is the tricarboxylic acid. Now the second class is the aromatic carboxylic acids. Now the organic compounds or the organic acid in which the carboxyl group is directly attached to the benzene ring or aromatic ring are called as the aromatic carboxylic acids. So the organic compounds in which one or more carboxyl groups are directly attached to the aromatic ring are called as the aromatic carboxylic acids. The best example, the first aromatic carboxylic acid is the benzoic acid, in which the COOH group is attached to this benzene ring. The another dicarboxylic acid which is the aromatic carboxylic acid is the phthalic acid. Here 2 COOH group are attached to each other with at the ortho positions. And again the very, that is the the drugs in pharmaceuticals, that is the aspirin. Aspirin is nothing but it is the orthoacetylbenzoic acid. So it is commonly called as the acetyl salicylic acid. Here this OCOCH3 group is attached to the ortho position of this COH group. Now these are the some organic acids. Now this is the classification of carboxylic acid. There is so many uses of this carboxylic acid. Now let us study the nomenclature of carboxylic acids and aldehydes, IUPAC nomenclature and common names. Let us see how the aldehydes and carboxylic acids are give their IUPAC names. Now see how the carboxylic acids give the tribal names and IUPAC name. Now this is the first acid, that is the formic acid. The name of formic acid is from the formica. Formica means ants, red ants. In red ants these acids are found due to that if the ants cut our skin, we have the irritated, that is the sensation. Due to this, that is formic acid. Formica means red ant, and from that the name, tribal name for this formic acid. But as it contains only one carbon atom, so from the parent alkane methane, the E suffix of the alkane, that is the methane, is replaced by the OIC suffix. So the name of this carboxylic acid is methanoic acid. Just replace E of the alkane by OIC suffix and write down the acid word. So as it contains only one carbon atom, it is in IUPAC name, it is called as the methanoic acid. Now see this second acid, that is the, it contains two carbon atoms, CH3COOH. Now it is the acetic acid, tribal name, but the IUPAC name is the ethanoic acid. Only E of the ethane is replaced by the OIC word, that is the ethanoic acid. Why this acid is called as the acetic acid? This is from the acetum word, acetum. Acetum means vinegar in Latin. Acetum means vinegar. In vinegar there is the acetic acid. So the tribal name or common name of this ethanoic acid is the acetic acid. Now third, that is the containing 3 carbon atoms. Now this acid CH3CH2COOH, it contains 3 carbon atoms. So the tribal or common name is the propionic acid, but the IUPAC name is propionic acid. See there, propionic acid and propionic. Propionic name is given from the propane, in which E is replaced by the OIC suffix. But this propionic, propion means first fat. First fat. Propion means first fat. In fatty acid, this first fat is there, that is the propion or propionic acid. So the name is given from that first fat, that is the propionic acid containing 3 carbon atoms, and the IUPAC name is the propionic acid. There is difference in the spellings. Now see the next, that is the containing 4 carbon atoms. Now this is the N-butyric acid, normal butyric acid. This word, that is the tribal name or common name, is given from the butter, because butyrion means butter. In Latin, butter is called as the butyrion. So the name is, this acid is found in butter, and therefore the acid have given the name, that is the N-butyric acid, tribal name or common name. But as it contains 4 carbon atoms, so the IUPAC name is the butanoic acid. This is the normal butanoic acid. E is replaced by the OIC word. Now see this acid. It also contains the 4 carbon atoms, but there is branching on the second carbon, that is the alpha carbon. The carbon which is bonded to this COOH first carbon is called as the alpha carbon, and on alpha carbon there is the methyl group. So in common name system it contains 3 carbon atom in a straight chain, so it is also called as the alpha methyl propionic acid. Alpha methyl propionic acid, as it contains 3 carbon atom and alpha position there is the methyl group, but as this group is called as the isobutyl group, so the name is also the isobutyric acid because it contains the carbon which contain only one hydrogen, and such group is called as the iso group, and it contains 4 carbon atoms, so it is the isobutyric acid, that is the common name. But for IUPAC name, now we must give the numbers to the carbon atom, and CO group containing carbon, this functional group COH, is always given the number 1. So suppose this is 1, give the numbering in a straight line, 2, 3. Now on second carbon there is the methyl group, and in the chain there are 3 carbon atoms, so it is the propanoic acid. Our IUPAC name is the containing 3 carbon, that is the propane, E is replaced by OIC, so it is the propanoic acid. But on the second carbon there is branching or substituent methyl group, so the name is 2-methyl propanoic acid, that is the IUPAC name, remember that. If the chain is containing more carbon atoms in this way, CH3, CH2, and suppose here is the branching on this carbon, again CH2, COOH. Now give the numbering from that carbon which have the CO group. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 in a straight chain we number the carbon atoms. Now on third carbon there is the methyl group. Always give the number from this carbon of the COOH group. Now this is the 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. On the third carbon there is the methyl group. So the name, IUPAC name of this compound is given as 3-methyl, and there are 4 carbon atoms in the chain. So it is the butanoic acid, 3-methyl butanoic acid. And in common or tribal name we can give the name as, suppose this is the alpha carbon, this is the beta, that is third number carbon is the beta. So the name of this tribal name of this acid is the beta-methyl butyric acid. So just as here is the alpha-methyl propionic acid, as it contains 4 carbon atoms, and on beta position there is the methyl group, so it is the beta-methyl but butyric acid. Now this is the unsaturated carboxylic acid. See how the name is given, IUPAC name. Commonly it is called as the acrylic acid, but the IUPAC name is given by numbering in this way. This is the first carbon, 1, 2, 3. Now on second carbon there is the double bond, and in chain there are the 3 carbon atoms, so it is the propanoic acid, but there is double bond on second carbon, so the name is given as prop 2. 2 means double bond is here 2, and En, why the En is there? Because there is the double bond. So prop 2 En, and write down the suffix OIC and then the word acid. So the name of this compound is prop 2 enoic acid. Suppose such is there, CH2 double bond, CH, again CH2, COOH. Such compound is suppose there. Give the numbering from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now on third carbon there is the double bond, and in chain there are the 4 carbon atoms. So the IUPAC name of this compound, that is butane. So only write down the but, and Ane is replaced. Now but 3, on 3 carbon there is double bond, enoic acid. Now as this is prop 2 enoic acid, this is but 2 enoic acid. Now see the carboxylic acid having the 2 COOH group, how they are given the IUPAC. This is the oxalic acid, we already see that. Now if we want to give the IUPAC name containing 2 or more COOH group, then write down the the name of the parent alkane, complete name of that parent alkane. Now see here, this is the 2 carbon containing acid. So the parent alkane is ethane, because in ethane there are the 2 carbon atoms. So write the ethane word complete here. Remember that. And then as there are 2 COOH group, so write down di for the 2 COOH group, and only write down the suffix OIC and again the word acid. So it is ethane dioic acid. Ethane dioic acid. If there are 3 COOH group in any acid, suppose, and for example, suppose such type of acid is there, CH2 COOH, CH COOH, again CH2COOH. Why there is only one hydrogen? Because the valency of the carbon is completed by 4 bonds. Now this contain the 3 COOH group, this acid, and in chain there are 3 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3. So it is propane. Parent alkane is propane, and there are 3 COOH group, so it is the trioic acid. Remember that. Now this is propane trioic acid. In this way the IUPAC names are given for the acids containing more than 1 carboxylic acid groups. Now this is the organic acid. We know that is the benzoic acid. But organic acids are given the name. First write down the rings name, that is the benzene, and then write down the carboxylic acid word. But the IUPAC nomenclature system accept the name of this compound as the benzoic acid. It is commonly also called as the benzoic acid, and in IUPAC name system also called as the benzoic acid. But this is that is the name is given such that benzene carboxylic acids. Now see why it is given such name benzene carboxylic acid. Here see this, that is the last compound. Now it contains 2 COOH group, that is the phthalic acid. It is the benzene ring. So benzene word is write down completely, and then write down the numbers of the carbon atoms which have the carboxyl group. Suppose this is the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So on 1 and 2 position there are the carboxylic acids group. So the name is such that benzene, write down the benzene word completely. Then 1, 2 number of the carbon containing COOH group, and as there are the 2 carboxylic acid groups, so write down di and then write down the carboxylic acid. In this way benzene 1,2 dicarboxylic acid, such names are given for the organic acids. Now this is suppose there is no COOH group, so it is the toluene, we know that, and at ortho position of this COOH group there is the methyl group, so the tribal name is the orthotoluic acid, that is the common name. But the actual name of this compound is, as suppose this carbon is first, which contains COOH group, this carbon is first, this second, third, 4, 5, 6. At 2 position there is the methyl group, so it is the 2-methyl benzoic acid. This is benzoic acid. As there is on the second carbon there is the methyl group, so it is the 2-methyl benzoic acid. Now see this compound. It have OH hydroxyl group at the ortho position, or phenolic OH group at the ortho position of this COOH group. This is commonly called as the salicylic acid, that is the orthohydroxy benzoic acid, also called as the orthohydroxy benzoic acid, because at the ortho position there is the hydroxy group of this COOH group. So it is the orthohydroxy benzoic acid, but IUPAC name is given by giving the numbers in such a way. Now this COOH group having carbon is the number 1 carbon, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. On second carbon there is the OH group, that is the hydroxy group, so it is called as the 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. Now you must practice these IUPAC names of this compound, that is very important for the point of view of the board examination, JEE examination, NEET examination. They ask the IUPAC name of this different compound. Now let us study the tribal and IUPAC names of aldehydes. Now see the tribal, that is common, and IUPAC names of aldehydes. Now the first aldehyde is the formaldehyde, which contain only one carbon atom. You know the formic acid. The name formic acid is given from the name of red ant in Latin, that is the formica. Red ants are called as the formica, and they contain the formic acid, due to which we have the irritated sensation if the red ant cuts to our skin. So from that formic acid, this aldehyde, which contain one carbon atom, the common name is given as formaldehyde. But as it contains only one carbon atom, so it is the methanol. Now here the E of the alkane, the suffix E of the alkane is replaced by the suffix Al. Remember that in alcohol the suffix E of the alkane is replaced by OL in the IUPAC names such as methanol, ethanol. But in aldehydes, the suffix E of the alkane is replaced by the Al suffix. So it is the methanol because it contains only one carbon atom. Now see the second aldehyde, CH3CHO. Now it contains two carbon atoms. So the IUPAC name is the from the alkane ethane, the name is ethanol. E is replaced by the suffix Al. And the common name is from the acetic acid, because acetic acid also contains two carbon atoms, that is the ethanoic acid. So the common name is given as acetaldehyde from the name of acetic acid. Here it is aldehyde, so the name is acetaldehyde, but in IUPAC name it is called as the ethanol. Now the third aldehyde containing three carbon atoms, CH3CH2CHO, that is the propionaldehyde, because the carboxylic acid containing three carbon atom is the propionic acid, and from that name this aldehyde is given the name propionaldehyde, or its IUPAC name is propanol. The Al suffix is there in place of E of the alkane propane. So the name is propanol because this is that is a straight chain aldehyde. So propanol is the IUPAC name. Now next one, this is the butyraldehyde, because the carboxylic acid containing four carbon atom is the butyric acid. The word butyric acid is from the word butyrum. Butyrum means butter in English. Butter is the name, and in Latin butyrum. Butter is called as butyrum in the Latin. So the name of that butyric acid, the acid which is present in the butter, and from that the aldehyde is given the name butyraldehyde. Now this is the butyraldehyde containing four carbon atoms, but the IUPAC name is the butanol. The suffix E of butane is replaced by Al, so the aldehyde containing four carbon atom is given the name, IUPAC name as butanol. The next one, it have the branching or substituent on the second carbon atom as that of the isobutyric acid. Now here, this is from that isobutyric acid, it is called as the isobutyraldehyde, because in isobutyric acid we already see here is the COOH group, and also we give the name, suppose this is the carbon, the next carbon of this is the alpha. At alpha carbon there is the CH3 group of this CO carbon. On the next carbon is called as the alpha carbon, and on that there is the methyl group. So it is also called as alpha methyl, and in straight chain there are the 3 carbon atoms. So it is propionaldehyde. Alpha methyl propionaldehyde or isobutyraldehyde, both are the common names. But the IUPAC name are given by giving the numbering in such a way. This that is functional group containing carbon C double bond O carbon is given the number 1, these 2, these 3 always give the number in a straight chain. And on second carbon there is the methyl group here, that is the substituent. So as it contains in the straight chain 3 carbon atoms, so it is the propanol. But on second carbon there is the methyl group, so it is the 2-methyl propanol. Remember that. Common name isobutyraldehyde or alpha methyl propionaldehyde, but the IUPAC name is the 2-methyl propanol. IUPAC names are very important. Now see, this is the unsaturated aldehyde as that of the unsaturated acrylic acid. So from that the common name is the acrolein. Common name is acrolein, but how the IUPAC name is given? That is given by giving the numbering in such a way that 1, 2, 3. Now on second carbon there is the double bond of this aldehyde. Always give the number 1 to the aldehyde group containing carbon. So generally in aldehyde, the functional group of aldehyde is always at the end position, not in between. Remember that, because one of the hydrogen is compulsory here. You know that here one hydrogen for this CO bond, CO group in the aldehyde. So the aldehyde group is always at the ending position. But ketonic group may be in between, because in ketonic group both the groups are the alkyl groups of this C double bond. But in aldehydes, one hydrogen is must there or compulsory, so the aldehyde group is always at the end position. So it is always the number 1 position. Suppose this is number 1, 2, 3. Now this is the parent alkane is propane. So the name prop is given here. On second position there is the double bond. So 2En for the double bond. Remember that. As in the acid we write down as 2-enoic acid, etc. In the same manner, prop 2-enal. So OIC of the acid is replaced by here Al. So it is the prop 2-enal, and that acid, acrylic acid, is the prop 2-enoic acid. But this is aldehyde, so it is prop 2-enal. That is the difference between only the acids and aldehydes. Remember that. Now see this compound which contain 2 aldehyde group, as the acid, that is the oxalic acid, contain 2 COH group. Here there are the 2 aldehyde group. So the name is oxaldehyde. From the oxalic acid, the name is oxaldehyde. But generally, commonly in practice, in commercial, the commercial name of these aldehyde is Glyxal. Glyxal, Al is there. Remember this name also. Glyxal is very important. Now 2 aldehyde groups are attached to each other. As the COH group are attached, we call as the oxalic acid. This is the oxaldehyde, or it is also called commonly glycol. But the IUPAC name is given such that we give in acid. First write down the complete name of that alkane. How many carbon atoms in that aldehyde. So here 2 carbon atom. So the parent alkane is ethane. Now this is the parent alkane is ethane. So write down the ethane, complete name of the ethane first. Yes, I have some mistake in this. This is the ethane. Complete name, write down the ethane, and then write down the di because 2 aldehyde groups are there. So ethane, write down ethane completely. That is the parent alkane containing 2 carbon atoms. So it is the ethane. And then write down di and then Al. As it is aldehyde, so Al suffix is and di for 2 aldehyde group. And write down the complete name. Suppose there are 3 aldehyde groups, suppose. Suppose that contain the 3 carbon atoms in that aldehyde. So the name may be propane trial in this way. Now see this, the aromatic aldehydes. Benzaldehyde from the benzoic acid. This is the aldehyde group, so it is the benzaldehyde. But the IUPAC name system accept the name benzaldehyde, but actually in IUPAC the names are given as that of the acid, as we give the benzene carboxylic acid for the benzoic acid. So it is benzene carbaldehyde. Carboxylic acids word is for the acidic group COH, but if there is the aldehyde group, then it becomes carbaldehyde, benzene carbaldehyde. Benzene carbaldehyde. Suppose here is the OH group in this way. See here, this example. This is the salicylaldehyde commonly, because here is the CHO group in place of COH group in the salicylic acid, ortho-hydroxybenzoic acid. But IUPAC name is given in this way, numbering from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here on the second carbon there is the hydroxyl group. So it is 2-hydroxy and give the name benzaldehyde. 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde. Or it may also give the name 2-hydroxy benzene carbaldehyde. That is also the correct name, as in this way. This benzene carbaldehyde. So we can write here 2-hydroxy benzene carbaldehyde. That is also correct name. And this is because the IUPAC name system accept the name benzaldehyde. So this is also correct, 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde. Now see this last compound. It have, now this is the phthalaldehyde from the name phthalic acid. COH group are there in the phthalic acid at the ortho position, but here the aldehyde group. So it is the phthalaldehyde. But the name is given in this way. The benzene name give completely. Then write down the position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is benzene 1,2-dicarbaldehyde. Benzene 1,2-dicarbaldehyde, as the given as benzene carbaldehyde. This is also benzene 1,2-dicarbaldehyde. And what is remaining? This is the that is aldehyde again. It have the CH3 group at the ortho position of this aldehyde group, and it is the ortho-toluoldehyde as ortho-toluic acid. It is ortho-toluoldehyde because this is the toluene. But ortho position there is the aldehyde group, so it becomes ortho-toluoldehyde. But by giving the numbering in such a way that this aldehyde group containing carbon, having carbon is always give the number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As we give the number 1 for the acids having COH group, that carbon. So in aldehyde also give the number which contain this aldehyde group as the 1 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On 2 position there is the methyl group. So it is the 2-methyl benzaldehyde. These are the nomenclature IUPAC as well as common name system. These are very important for the examination point of view. If you like, share this video and subscribe and tell the others for subscription. Thank you.